This is the cozy campfire in real life. I know guys, the fire looks like it's, an effect right here, but no, it isn't. Okay, look. I know, look. It doesn't really look like a cozy campfire with the tube lights sticking out, but just for SpongeBob. Sit down by the camp and sing our campfire song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E fireworks song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
That giant green truck.
Song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E just so N-G song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E
I just cut that thing right off his
song.
chopper.
Sing a campfire song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E
You don't want to get too close to the fire.
I maybe want to like a little bit low.
Now guys, time for the bird's eye view.
I just burned up a bunch of
One 87812. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. Oh shoot! Oh no! R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. Song. F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G. Guys, Savage, there's probably going to be a 99.9% chance of a spider web down here, so good luck. Skip this. Just for laughs and games, I'm going to throw my tablet in. Oh, wait, oh, 3.
Let's get some more.